Mother of two young boys killed in a crosswalk in Westlake Village in 2020, sharing her pain and grief as she waits for the driver who killed them to be sentenced. And as the family waits for the next step in this long-running case, they're now learning of changes in the prosecution's team.
Well, KCAL's Jasmine Viel is sitting down this afternoon with the family as they cope with the constant heartbreak and change in the case.
This is Jacob, yeah, protector. He did cross country.
It's been 3 months since Nancy and Karima's Candor walked out of a Van Nuys courthouse after a jury found 60-year-old Rebecca Grossman guilty of murder in the deaths of their two young sons, Mark and Jacob, in 2020.
Mama, we love you.
We walked out of that courtroom thinking we're done.
They've been waiting for Grossman to be sentenced. She faces 34 years to life in prison.
If I had any doubt that anybody else is involved, I would have said that, because as a mother, you want justice. You want the person who murdered your child to be held accountable.
But in a sudden turn of events, the two prosecutors who have been with them since day one have been removed as the leads on the case.
We were shocked. We were concerned.
Trial attorneys Ryan Gould and Jamie Castro, who secured that guilty verdict, recently flagged a conflict of interest with Grossman's new attorney, James Spurtis, who represents an assistant DA in a separate case. Then last week, the DA's office reassigned the case to the Major Crimes Division, saying the decision to reassign the matter was necessary to address any perceived internal conflict over past issues of supervision. Chief Deputy District Attorney Joseph Inigas went on to say this decision was made with the utmost consideration for the victims and their family to protect the integrity of the legal process and the jury verdict. We are confident that Ms. Grossman will be appropriately sentenced, and any legal issues that need to be resolved before that time will be vigorously litigated by our Major Crimes Division. The trial attorneys will now assist.
We trust them a lot.
Grossman's new attorney, James Spurtis, says the decision to reassign those prosecutors has nothing to do with him or his clients, as he says there is no conflict of interest. He called those distractions, as he told me his focus is on the motion he filed for a new trial, as he says he is confident that Grossman's murder convictions will be overturned.
I can't even think of that possibility. It would absolutely crush me.
Nancy says every day during the trial it felt like she was attending her son's funerals over and over again. She says she wants to be able to move forward and focus on her family, her foster care agency, and healing.
I want them to be proud of me.
In Westlake Village, Jasmine Viel, KCAL News.